Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week we're covering Chapter 7, Body Image and Body Weight. This chapter really kind of combines a lot of what we've been discussing to address these two issues here. So, of course, nutrition and physical activity for fitness and health definitely plays a role in body weight and how we maintain our body weight or body composition, how we make gains or losses there if we need to. But also, we're talking about kind of the psychological standpoint also of how we view ourselves and what our perception is of our body image. And so this is really relevant for everybody. I think is it doesn't matter if you're a high school student taking college classes, a um, traditional college student who's fresh out of high school and late teens, early 20s, or someone who's taking the non-traditional approach. I think we're a lot of us spend time thinking about our body weight and our image, what we look like or what we think we look like when we look into the mirror. So this chapter does a great job of covering those areas. Very important to understand body composition when it comes to body weight. Stepping on the scale in itself doesn't tell you the whole story. It's important to know your percentage of body fat versus lean tissue, and so that's where we get into body composition. Also, in particular for college students, it's a difficult time to manage weight. And you're also under tremendous pressure oftentimes to have the perfect body or the perfect image in terms of what society says that we should look like. And so a lot of factors come into play for this point in your life. And so very important to just be knowledgeable and to start picking up and maintaining the behaviors that hopefully you're starting to incorporate into your life through the knowledge you're gaining in this class. All right, I've rumbled on enough now. Real quick, you've got this video, another short video just discussing the diets. It seems like, almost monthly, definitely every few months, there's a new diet out. And so it doesn't matter what you're cutting out of your life, really balance is key. And so we've kind of talked about that with the nutrition point here, but this does address the fact that according to this research, that the low carb diet trumps low fat and weight loss. And then you've got your PowerPoint, your lab, your quiz, and your checklist. Guys, as I said last week, we're already in March, and really at this point, we're at the halfway point of the semester. Keep doing a great job. If you're behind on anything, be sure to make it up. Make sure your checklist bar is completely filled in, and if it's not, go back and make up whatever you're missing. All right, as always, I'm just an email away if you have any questions. Let's make it a great week.